3 descaling methods are available. Open 1 packet of descaling agent. Empty 1 sachet into 1.2 liters of kettles. Stir to dissolve. Leave to stand for 5 minutes. After 300 brewing cycles, the descale indicator flashes 5 times. Pour the descaling solution into the water tank. Turn on the machine. Wait 1 minute for the machine to heat up. After the preheating is completed, place a 600 milliliters cup on the drip tray. Press and hold both cup buttons for 3 seconds until icons flash cyclically. Descaling initiates automatically, 3-minute cycle. When completed, cup icons flash for 10s before returning to standby. Pour out the scale remover solution and clean the water tank. Then refill with fresh water. And run 3 double cup brewing operations without coffee grounds to complete flushing.